Well, now we're doing worksheet 4E, and the first question says, decide whether the statement makes sense, and we have to explain our reasoning. So my mortgage payment is $1,700 per month, so I will have a tax deduction of 12 times 1,700, which is $20,400. That's not true. You can deduct the interest on the money, but you can't deduct the entire payment. So tax deductions and tax credits are discussed on page 270, so please look that up. Now, number 2, Sam is in the 35% tax bracket, so a $500 tax credit will reduce his total tax bill by 35% of $500, which is $175. That's not true either. $500 tax credit will reduce his taxes by $500. So you get full credit for a tax credit, you see. If you pay quarterly, say you're self-employed and you pay quarterly, that money goes directly, the entire amount goes directly to taxes, so tax credit. Now, number 3, Carla earned wages of $49,017, and then she received interest of $1,583 from a savings account. She also contributed money to a tax-deferred retirement plan. She was entitled to a personal exemption and had deductions of so much money. And the question is, find her gross income. Well, the gross income is just reflects how much you received. It doesn't matter what you paid out or whatever. So she received $49,017 and $1,583, so you just add those two up, and $50,600 is her gross income, and that's C. And the same thing occurs with 4. Gross income just means the total amount you took in, regardless of where that money may have gone. So number 4, the sum of $34,482 and the sum of $351, that gives us a total, when we add those two up, of $34,833, and that's the gross income. Now for number 5, Mike and Carrie are in a 28% marginal tax bracket and claim the standard deduction. How much will their tax bill be reduced if they qualify for an $809 tax credit? Well, it will be reduced by $809 because a tax credit, all the money in a tax credit goes right to your taxes. You've paid that much money towards your tax bill. And that's on page 270. So for number 6, Mark earned $63,357 from wages as a mechanic and made $3,282 in tax-deferred contributions to a retirement fund. Find his FICA tax. Well, FICA is discussed on page 272, and what FICA is, it is the tax, it's tax you pay only on your wages. You don't pay any FICA on interest income or any other source of income, only on wages. And FICA goes to your Social Security and also your Medicare. That's where that money goes. And so you just have to multiply, and by the way, the factor is 7.65%, so you multiply 0.0765 times, and he earned from wages $63,357, and that product is $4,846.81, and that's the money that went to FICA to cover his Social Security and Medicare for that year. That's how much he contributed to FICA for that year.